Alright, first school story is the Shelton school story. Everybody knows me and him getting tons of arguments. Ask Carter. But the first one is going to be about Shelton. But then the next story is going to be Carter, then mine again. Alright, so that's how it's going to work. So, the first story is Shelton. The Angry Bird plushie situation. Alright, so let's just start out. I came over, after school, I went over to Shelton's house, which, it was about a year ago, in 3rd grade. And it was pretty, alright, so basically, I had to go to the bathroom. I came out of the bathroom. Shelton was in nothing but just shorts with a drumstick and an Angry Bird. Disgusting. He had the drumstick, and basically he called it Heaven, who he had a crush on at school. He kept saying that, and then he was having the drumstick on his, and pointing it right into the Angry Bird. And I come in there and I said, whoa! And he freaking drops everything. He goes, hey, you didn't see that. The next day, me and Caden, you have to know Caden from Carter, me and Caden went up to Heaven and told her that Shelton had an Angry Bird plushie with a drumstick saying it was her doing something. He hated me. And now he's going to hate me after this. Hey, thank you now, then you won't bother me anymore.
When someone gives you something, your mother shouldn't have to tell you to thank the person for giving you something.
But you have to say it to him, not other people.
You say it to everybody. When you get a birthday gift, you thank them. When anyone provides you something, you thank them without even thinking or having someone tell you to thank them. Don't you? You say thank you. You want something, you say please. And then when they say thank you,
I say please.
Okay, thank you. What are you going to say back to me?
Please.
No, you're going to say you're welcome.
You're welcome. Oh, yeah. You're welcome.
You're going to be polite.
We'll go tell him thank you.
I don't care.
I don't either. Thank you for the jailers. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for asking. Let's work on
Yeah, thank you for asking.
You got 10 minutes, and it's bedtime, boy.
Did you really call me April? Oh my god. Did you really? Yeah. Is it really? I put that at the end. You're like, oh, here's some background noise. Hey, God, Brian. I think Brian needs to learn a lesson. Oh, wait a minute. Didn't I throw it somewhere? I think.
Hey, what happened to my paper?
Hey, is this yours?
No.
I didn't put my special mask on. Okay, I need to look for my freaking pen. Wherever it went. Okay, Carter. I lost my pen for bit. Oh my god.
I made a messy story.
Oh! You know what I just said that? He just said, I made a messy story.
You don't know about it.
And no one knows about it?
He is gonna kiss him.
Oh!
Naked.
Oh!
And the bells go all.
God, Brian. How do you know this stuff? said he thought about it. Alright, when are we gonna get back to the video?
Bryce!
Alright, wait, hold on.
Bryce, do you know this school's name?
Yeah.
It's Moron School.
He said it's moron school.
Oy! It's Moron School.
What happened?
I need a new pen.
Alright, Bryce, right now be quiet because I gotta get back to the video.
Yeah. Mama!
Okay.